Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is your boy Visionary B with the Visionary Money Show coming at you live Monday through Friday with a live stream on Saturday. Trying to give you some financial news you can use. So if you don't mind, go ahead and press that subscribe. Now yesterday we were talking about Didi. Today more bad news came out. WeChat and Alipay was forced to remove it. So you can no longer get Didi through those services, which has over 1 billion users on them combined. But I think it will cause a revenue hit, but the people who still have Didi can still access it and use the application for the ride sharing services. Now the floor yesterday, it hit about 11.50. The options are trading now. So I think it would be a good time to get in. If you was to buy in at 12 or 11, you can go a couple months out, sell some calls, get your cost basis into the nines. Now, Uber also owns a stake as well as Apple. And right now, this morning, pre-market is trading at about 12 or about 11.90. I'm interested to see what it opens at. Yesterday, it hit a low of about 11.50 midday. I really think 11 is the floor for Didi. The market cap is about 50 now. It IPO'd at about 68. And also, Kramer was super gung-ho about getting as many shares as possible in the $13, $14 range. He was saying that that was a good value. That valued the company at about $65 billion. Now the market cap has dropped to about $52 billion. So if it was a good deal at 13 or 14, it sounds like it's a better deal at 11 or 12. And remember, if you were to buy shares in the 11 range, you can sell calls and get your cost basis lower and wait for the stock to go up. I really think 11 is the floor.
Which brings me to the one I want you in on. Didi, D-I-D-I. That's the Chinese version of Uber that's coming public on Wednesday. This company has a stranglehold on China. The ride-sharing market, they own it. They crushed their competitors and then bought them up when they got tired of losing money. That includes Uber China. Didi's also got some really huge backers. Chinese tech giants like Alibaba and Tencent, a Japanese conglomerate like SoftBank, even Apple is in Didi. Finally, based on the proposed price range, which values Didi at around $65 billion, I think the valuation seems eminently reasonable. Now, there are some antitrust concerns here, but as long as they stay on the Communist Party's good side, and I know it's probably hard to do, but as long as they do, I doubt they'll have much trouble with the regulators. So if you want to speculate on a Chinese IPO, you've got my blessing to bet on Didi. I would try to get as many shares as you can. Didi.
Now, a quick update on the portfolio. I've been sideways for about the past 2 weeks. I'm about at 102. I'm still waiting for my G-Box, MAC, and MARA position to play out. I did add HUT to my watch list. HUT.8 is a Bitcoin miner. The Bitcoin miners are supposedly supposed to be super profitable now that China has cracked down on all of their cryptocurrency and miners. The market is pretty much quiet this morning. They're waiting for the Fed to come out and speak, give the market some direction. They should be saying something this afternoon, Eastern time, to let them know, are they going to keep the easy money policy or are they going to tighten a little bit sooner than expected? Yesterday, the Dow dropped about 200. S&P had its first losing day in 7 days. It was on a 7-day winning streak. But for the year end, S&P still looks like it's on a tear. The year end projections at the beginning of the year was 4,300 and it's at 4,300 now. But it's never a bad time to buy SPY. If you were to sit in SPY forever, that's how you become a millionaire. Just buy and hold SPY, buy and hold it forever. So there's never a bad time to buy SPY. If you were to sit in it for 15 years, there's never been a 15-year period that you can lose.
Every one of you men in here have that opportunity, man. But ask yourself the question personally. How much time you really wasting? 15 straight years.
You're looking at a 15-year chart of the SPY. Stop wasting time, buy, invest, hold it forever. And if you're still watching,
and I love all of you. I love all of you from the bottom of my heart. I mean that.